the view, guys. It's so beautiful. A typical authentic now it's quite sunny, the weather is very good.
It was fantastic and
কলকাতা এয়ারপোর্টে about to start for ডিমাপুর আমাদের নাগাল্যান্ড ট্রিপ শুরু হতে চলেছে we are starting with Nagaland trip হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ Thank you. Thank you.
Transfer to Kohima. On the way, I just booked lunch. So on the way, we'll have lunch and then the corresponding to Kohima.
Okay.
Alright. Okay, thank you, bhai. Let's go.
Hi, we are on the way to Kohima. This is my group. I can see all very smiling faces everywhere. So this is it. Dorja khola ache. This is the group, all very smiling faces, and I just pray to God they come back home with such a smile. Thank you. Thank you. আমরা এখন একটা ক্যাফেটেরিয়া মানে একটা রেস্টুরেন্টের সামনে দাঁড়িয়েছি we will be having our lunch over here and the place is quite green all around. It's cloudy little bit over here but it's not raining. That's good thing. This is the restaurant and this is the area surrounding the restaurant. It's all very green out here and you can see my guests having some good time with photos and
Green chili, tomato, dry fish, dry fish, a little bit of ginger.
এই আচারটার খবর অনেকবার শুনেছি তো ড্রাই ফিশের
Come. Yeah. Ha. Yes. And this is Nicholas, our captain. We are in War Memorial right now. The graves which you see here is of the Britishers, and there, just a bit far from this part, lies the Indian soldiers. The place is beautiful. See the blue mountains over there. That is the reason we call Kohima the land of blue mountains, because the mountain range which you can see from here actually gives you that blue texture. There's a church over there. The place is so beautiful. It's 3 p.m. now and it's going to close by 3:30, so we hurried to the War Memorial. It's just beside our hotel.
It's a long story, but I'll make it short. No? So this Battle of Kohima is also part of the Second World War, where the battle was fought between the Japanese and the Britishers in the year 1944. So it was pre-independent. So the battle fought for 3 months, like starting from 4th of April till June 22. So the year was 1944, and even the month also April 4. Even the starting of the battle also is date 4. So we call it a 4/4 battle. But it's a turning point for the Japanese. They have lost the battle. Why the Japanese attack this Kohima Ridge is because of this road that goes to Imphal. So some Britishers already there in Imphal, in Manipur, here in Kohima, and in Dimapur. So it becomes a very center point and a strategic point. So whoever control this hill will cut off the control the supply at the Manipur, and then the Japanese were planning to to enter this Naga Kohima hill, and then after that they will proceed into the Assam. That's what their plan is. But unfortunately they lost the battle. So at the initial they were like in Kohima, this hill is called Garrison Hill. So small numbers of soldiers were here, which is fighting against huge numbers of Japanese. But on the second phase of the battle, it's like reinforcements have been sent from the Allied force, and then they slowly have been pushed back. And then the Japanese, they didn't bring much of supply food, arms, and ammunitions. While on the other side, the Allied force, they are supplying aircraft with lots of stuff. So because of less supply of the food and ammunition, the Japanese lost the battle also. Yeah. And this is the place where they fought face to face. Here is the tennis court. It belongs to the DC, the deputy commissioner at that time. His name is Charles Posey. So in that parking area, this is bungalow, and this is his tennis court, and then there used to be some clubhouse to be there. Used to be there.
Okay.
But during the war, it becomes a battlefield, and this is where they fought face to face. So the Battle of Kohima is also known as the Battle of Tennis Court also. And then in the year 2013, the British National Army Museum voted this Battle of Kohima and Battle of Kohima as the Britain's greatest battle ever fought in their history. So we get lots of clients from the UK come and see the relatives and all this thing. So I've just put in a very short way. So from down here, only the British soldiers, but from upside, you get to see only the Indian soldiers.
Indian soldiers.
Japanese, we didn't break anything.
Indians were fought for British.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Monisha. Happy birthday to you. চাও আসছে হ্যাঁ বার্থডে কালকে মুনমুন্দি খাওয়াও মুনমুন্দি হচ্ছে হেড দিদিমণি বার্থডে গার্লের মুনমুন্দি রাতের কোহিমা যেন একাকাশ তারা নেমে এসেছে কোহিমা সিটিতে ভীষণ সুন্দর দেখতে লাগছে ঠিক একটা একখণ্ড মেঘ এটা ভিডিওতে ঠিক আসছে না আর একখণ্ড মেঘ এতগুলো আলোজলা বাড়ির ওপরে আদর করে বেশ ভেসে আছে মনে হচ্ছে যেন সিটিটাকে ক্লাস্টার্স অফ ক্লাউড আদর করে যাচ্ছে ভারী সুন্দর সিটি So day 1 of Nagaland trip ends with a very sumptuous, tasty dinner. We had an excellent dinner. Next day, we are about to start for Khonoma.
Green village, and we are in Khonoma. It is what actually